When you get unboxings and you've got all this great packing material, these are the perfect things for you to stuff your purses with. You know, if you got like flat purses and they're all misshapen, all that, use your packing materials to stuff your bags with. Even like if you get a new purse or something like that that doesn't come with a lot of stuffing, or it comes with a lot of paper stuffing and you don't like that, you'd rather have use the bubble, the Air Plus thingies. Yeah, save it. Also good for boots if you need to like you know, pull these apart, because obviously they come apart and you can stuff them down in your boots to have them stand up nice and tall. Don't throw out your packing material. It's all good stuff. You got bubble wrap, use it. Don't throw it out. Even little things like little bags like this, don't throw these out. They are the perfect thing for you to wrap up any like little cosmetics and things like that and put them in your suitcases when you travel. So I keep all these things. They are the perfect items to just store somewhere flat near your luggage and things like that, so you always know when you go to travel you have these little plastic bags that you can, you know, wrap your shampoo in. Well, obviously you wouldn't take a shampoo that big on vacation, but you can wrap your toiletries in them, and it's plastic, so it will keep everything nice and fresh. Or you can also wrap your shoes in it. Here's another good bag. Bubble wrap. You could wrap jewelry in that. Amazing. So don't throw out your packing materials. It can be reused. Reuse, reuse, reuse. That's right. Carbon footprint. Make it smaller. Save your packing materials. It will come in handy someday, I promise you. You will be like, dang, I wish I had a piece of something for this. And you'll be glad that you had those extra little packing materials. Save them. That's what they're there for you to reuse them. So, reuse them. Alright, that's it. I just want to jump back on and tell you guys that don't throw out your packing materials. It can be reused.